Happy Hoarder here, and I just wanted to share with you a brief video of this awesome house that I found on Facebook Marketplace. I had been keeping my eye on this amazing house, and I noticed that she had reduced the price, and so I just had to contact her and see if we could work something out. And we did, and I had to go get it like immediately, and the weather was really bad, so I had to wait for at least the weather, like the tornado, to pass before I could go get it. But I am so excited to pick this up. It has beautiful flooring, and these little pieces on the other flooring are like inserts that you can take out so that you can work on the wiring. And I was really excited this wiring. We haven't tested it yet. This is a project for my husband, and also has like carpet and things that you can pull out so you can work on it. Now it does need a little bit of work here and there, a little gluing and things like that, but overall I kind of like what they did with it, so I'm pretty happy with the style. It did come with a box of furniture, and I had no idea what I was getting. I just really liked the house and everything, so whatever came in the box was going to be great. And so you got to see what I found. So I'm just showing you little places like all the wiring that needs to be checked on. Now a lot of that's just wiring we had put in there to organize it. I had to pull some of that out for the actual setting it up. So I didn't want to get involved too much in actually decorating it because, like I said, there's still a little bit of work to do, and my husband's going to help me do the wiring, check wiring and all that kind of stuff. I thought he might enjoy doing this. So another thing that I had bought that just came in while I was a little bit house poor, I had bought this huge lot of stuff on eBay for my other two houses. This is like my third house I'm going to be working on. Now, getting back into this video of this house, I have some broken pieces that need mending. Some may be a little bit more challenging, but I want to show you that I did incorporate some pieces from the other house lot as well. So I'll be telling you about that. But all this came with the house. And that is the sweetest little bedroom set. The bed does need some repair work, but it is just adorable. Most of it's just wood glue. And the kitchen, I love that sink. I would never have thought to buy a sink like that, but I am so thrilled to have it. Even the little stove that goes with it. I don't know what I'm going to do with that stove because there's not room for everything, so maybe the table's got to go. This giant bookcase, so thrilled about it, and it's just full of books. That might end up in my haunted house. I'm not sure yet. Kind of like it where it is. I did bring the bed from the other lot and the bathroom. We'll get back to that bathroom in a minute. And then that furniture is so cute, and you see that space in the back. I am going to add a dining table, so keep watching because you'll see what I do with that. The fireplaces are built in and has a chimney, and it does have lighting. Oh, I just realized my bed ruffle was messed up in the picture. And I'm not so sure about this white piece, whether it goes in the set or not, but I would rather have something brown. But I love this room so much. Oh my gosh. The actual sewing machine came from that other lot, but I would never have thought to buy a quilting set like that or any of those pieces. So to have those, I am thrilled to have them. They're amazing. So I'm going to kind of be looking for some more stuff like that. And then the little spinning wheel, which needs some work, but so cute. I'm just loving all this. But this is a really well-made little house. It does have some issues. You know, this is very thin wood. These little houses weren't meant to be moved at all. So I thought I'd slow it down for you a little bit so you can take a better look at all the stuff. I do want to tuck something under the stairs. You see the stair railing needs to be repaired. I did put the little Duncan 5 table in the background. I also have some Duncan 5 chairs that with the shield back I could add to that. There's a sweet little baby's room, just adorable. And once again, still didn't fix that bed. Yeah, a lot of stuff going on in that bedroom, and that was the bathroom that I kind of added over in the corner. I thought that was just kind of something fun to do because it needs a bathroom. And then here is this extra room, this bonus room that I have a lot of plans for. I just need to fix the furniture. I also found that there's room to tuck a little bed in that little cubby hole, so I'm going to do that too. So be sure to check back on the renovations I'll be doing on this little house. Thanks for watching. Bye.